Dear students, good morning to all of you. Now, today I will explain the second part of the chapter Glimpses of India, and the name of this part is Kurg, written by Lucas Abrol. You see here, Kurg is coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices. It means in the Kurg we will easily find out coffee, and also it is famous for the rainforest, and also we can find out many type of spices here. So see here, midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills, inhabited by a proud race of martial men between beautiful women and wild creatures. So now in this paragraph, authors want to say that and describe about the Kurg, that Kurg is situated midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Now, in present time, Mangalore is Mangaluru. It is a heaven of the earth. It means it is also like a heaven on this earth, carried gently by the air with great efforts from the kingdom of God. Here, one can find the martial men who have shown their valor in the war. Now, in next paragraph, see here, Kurg or Kodgu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforest, spices, and coffee plantations. Evergreen rainforest covered 30% of this district during the monsoons. It pours, it means heavy rain, enough to keep many visitors away. The season of joy commences, it means start from September and continue to till March. The weather is perfect, with some showers thrown in for good measure. The air breathes of invigorating coffee estates, and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corner. Canopies means tent, and invigorating means intensifying. So now in this paragraph, authors say that it is a home of evergreen forest, spices, coffee, wild animals, and other kind of shrubs. During the monsoon, it rains heavily, and visitors fail to enjoy the perfect bliss of the earth. From September to March, the weather is all embracing, and the air breathes of invigorating coffee. In prime corner, one can see coffee estates and colonial bungalows. Kurg or Kodgu is the smallest district of Karnataka. So in the starting it is described that Kurg and Kodgu is the smallest district of Karnataka.